it is important to state that I've had some invitation from my supervisor who insisted that I needed to publish with her, Madam Teresa, I think Dr. Teresa. One of the recommendations I made in the work I did when I presented my thesis was to recommend the elections of district assemblies long before the Constitution Commission review came with that particular decision. I had done that with just subject myself, and that for me was telling. So that was one very important recommendation. And the Constitution Review Commission actually in their report also agreed with the position I took. However, there were some difficulties with the engagement and interactions I had with players. One of the skeptics, the views they have is that if you have the regional minister who is the RECSEC chairman, or you have the DC who is the district chairman, the district security committee. Now if you have the district chief executive who belongs to a different political party, in this case, the NDC is in government, and then if it is going to be elected, I mean, you can tell your guess is as good as mine, depending on the strength of each political party in each district. So the possibility of you having an NPP winning in an NPP stronghold, the elections in terms of the DC, the election is very high. Now, if the president is visiting that particular district, his security and safety will be guaranteed by someone who belongs to a different political party. These were some of the views, but I still think that it can happen. I mean, if our institutions are strengthened and we have confidence in the independence of the institutions, it doesn't matter who is the DC or who is the regional minister, we can still go ahead to ensure the safety and the security. Maybe the suggestion is that regional police commanders and district police commanders should be the leaders of securities within the districts and the region and not the political appointees. So these were some of the recommendations I made in my thesis.